data platform needs data. I'm Ilari Mikkonen from FIWARE. Welcome to today's show. Today we are doing the demo that I've been promising for the last couple of weeks, how to push data into the data platform. We will be looking today how to put data into the Orion context broker. We'll be using Postman. One simple example should suffice, hopefully. A few words about the architecture. There are other videos on the channel that show the architecture also, but in principle, in front of Orion Context Broker, there is a API umbrella, which is like a gatekeeper towards the system. All the calls go through the umbrella. It's a reverse proxy. When you post a message to the platform, it will ask a couple of things. Who are you and what do you want to do? So let's take a look at that via Postman example. In Postman, this what do you want to do part is post data into the Orion context broker. And here is then the data that we want to post. And I want to post it into a particular FIWARE service, which is a tenant. So let's take a look at the tenants. I have created one earlier. There's another video about tenant creation in the channel too. So we want to post into that. And then this authorization part. So this means who are you? The authorization goes via bearer token, and you get one from the platform. I mean from the API management part of it. So here we have a new token. Copy that, put it to the Postman. One thing, when you start experimenting with this stuff, there is a Postman collection already ready-made, so you can just download that. I'll put a link down below, so you don't have to do this manually. Alrighty, so ready to put some data in the platform. Excited? I sure am. But let's take another look. So we are posting to the context broker this data into this tenant by this guy using key values options. Key value means that the data goes in key value pairs. If you are interested in the other API capability, the documentation for the API endpoint is in here. Today we are using post. There are also other methods of posting data via put and patch. Sort of depends on your use scenario, but post is fine for us. All right, let's try. Send. Create it. Perfect. Let's double check that we actually got the data. So what do I need? I need this one. And set the headers here correctly. Oop. Here's one I made earlier. Need to copy the token across. It's the same token because this user has read-write access. Like this, and let's do a get. All right, there it is. Testing. Relative humidity 12, precipitation 0. Just as we put. Cool. Let's do one update. Let's update the relative humidity. Now we need to use upsert because we are using post. Send. No content. Let's get it. And 13. That's it. Short example how to push data into the platform. Now I'll post some links to the documentation down below. Like, subscribe. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below or contact me at ilari.mikkonen@profirator.fi. I sincerely hope that you liked today's demo. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.